Okay, this is gonna be a quick video. Yo, not me in my car talking about I'm changing the filter. Honey, I went on YouTube. First you gotta pop out this side that thing, yeah. Bow, pop that out. Then I pull out this, yeah. What air? I don't know what the hell it's called, but I pop it out. Next I gotta pop out something here. I'm gonna try to record as much of the process as I go, cause I watching the video at the same time. Yeah, so I just try nothing. We'll see how it goes. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so I got lucky. Big bro just pulled up not too long ago and he see me doing this here, so he grabbed for his I'm gonna insert a picture of the little toolkit. I didn't even see that one because he said that one have everything like in its place still or whatever. So come he oh wait there, let me show you how to filter. That shit was disgusting. Look at this filter. Look at that filter. Oh my fucking god, that shit is disgusting. Ew. Yeah, so my car is a 2017 and I have not changed the filter since I've gotten this car, because at the dealership they were trying to charge me like almost $500 to change the filter. I'm like, let me do some research and see what's going on. Good thing I just went on YouTube and the access to it is inside the cabin of the car, which makes it so much easier. So he literally just took the screws out, boom, boom, boom. That just took about 15 minutes. So I'm grateful for Big Bro. He pulled up right on time. So yeah, what's going on? Yeah, he pulled up right on time. So that might be my little adventure for the day. I went out on the road and I came back, I would say maybe an hour ago now. And I just went ahead and started working on this. So yeah, that's my little adventure for the day. Yeah, so make sure check me out, like, share, comment, subscribe to the thing for more random things to come. Good to go. Did that. So for those who are following along or subscribed or whatever, if you guys need any mechanical services, please don't hesitate to give me a call, because I am from what from what y'all see just now, I'm one of the best. Say less. Tell me when I have any issues. I'm not gonna charge you a whole lot to break the bank, break your leg, your arm, none of that. Yeah, just work with me, I'll work with you, and yeah, we can keep it pushing. We can look up for each other, you know. So not the essential toolkit. I've had this tool bag for years, from when I used to live alone. All all my furniture and you know all of them little snacks that have to be assembled. Say less. I draw for my gloves. Grab my toolkit. Look, all here. Safety goggles. Don't play with me. A little WD if the screws are a little too dry. And we good to go. Don't play with her. She's gonna put it together. Okay. I got this.